guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on that bell to get notified whenever I post. I post every other Wednesday at 1 p.m. If you're wondering, like, why don't you have any makeup on? Well, we're doing the 10-minute makeup challenge. I was going to do, like, the 5-minute makeup challenge, but I'm like, that's too quick, okay? I'm going to be very stressed as is, so we're not going to do that one. Before we jump into this video, I actually already announced the giveaway winners, if you're wondering. If you didn't follow me on Instagram, I did, and if you did, great. You saw it, probably. Hopefully, I'll be able to do another giveaway in the future, and comment down below if you want me to. So let's go ahead and start doing our makeup in 10 minutes. Before we start the timer, I'm going to get my hair ready because I already know I'm going to pull it back or it's going to get in my way if I don't pull it back. So we're going to pull this hair out of the way so it's not in my face and looking terrible. Don't mind my hair. I'm going to take it down once I finish this crazy challenge. So we're going to start this 10-minute timer. We're going to start this timer. 3, 2, 1. Starting the timer. Okay, I already started it. Okay, we're just gonna go really fast. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna mention the products in this video because I can't. I just can't. It's less than 10 minutes already. We're just putting that primer on there. Make sure we're getting in the pores. Okay, we gotta put more primer because my face feels dry. Right down the neck. You don't want to forget about that. Oh my gosh, we're already almost down to 9 minutes. That's great. Great. We're cool. Time to go in with my foundation. I forgot to get a mirror. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. I have a mirror on my palette. We got a mirror on our palette. We're doing good. We really have to blend this in. I wasted so much time already. I don't know if we're gonna have time for all the little things I do normally. Okay. We have 8 minutes and 12 seconds. Concealer. Concealer. I'll link all the products I'm using in this video down below, but we do not have time to talk about them because I am not capable. We're not capable. I was gonna try to do some cute eye look, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Oh my gosh, I'm looking like a ghost. I am stressed. Oh my gosh, I only have 7 minutes left. I literally am almost halfway. You know, I might resort to a sponge later on because the sponge. I might resort to a I don't have time to talk. What am I doing? Okay, we almost have 6 minutes left. Okay, we're doing fine. I'm just gonna put powder all over my face. My face is all set and it'll be nice and blended. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer. I have not felt this stressed in a long time. Which is a good thing, but this is not good for me at the moment. Touch up the contour. Woo, stressed. Okay, then we need blush. Oh wow, that's some colored blush right there. We're almost halfway, and I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quick, really fast, really simple. I can't hardly see my eyebrows in this mirror. My eyebrows. Good thing my eyebrows are thicker. Cause like if I had to draw them on, oh my gosh, I got it on my skin. We only have 4 minutes and 23 seconds left. This is not good. Okay, we're just gonna have to do some eyebrow gel. throw these bad boys together. Oh my gosh. We're just gonna do a simple brown look for our eyes. Jaclyn Hill palette, my go-to. Okay. I need to wash my brushes, they look terrible. I only have 3 minutes left. I'm gonna put the cookie highlighter on my lid so it looks pretty and it hides all of the flaws. My eyebrow bone. Oh my gosh, we only have 2 minutes and 15 seconds left right now. Okay. Now we just need to apply some mascara to the bottom. We're fine. Okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. Oh my gosh, I forgot about lipstick. Oh my lord. These eyelashes look literally terrible. My lipstick, we have 53 seconds left. Okay, that lipstick looks awful. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I forgot to do setting spray. What? Who am I? My lips look awful. Okay, let's just zoom in to my lips at the moment. Where's the lipstick? That's what I want to know. And the eyelashes, yep, they're coming off. And the blush, it's a little patchy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, fix up my face, and I'll be right back. I just used the new Jeffree Star Strawberry X Morphe setting spray. I guess it's not new, but like I just used it for the first time. It smells so good. Okay guys, I'm back. I fixed my lips. My lashes actually look pretty normal now, thank God. And I put some lip gloss on because that lipstick I used was not creamy, so I had to put a lip gloss over it. But this is what I look like now. So we look way better now than we did before. So let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video watching me struggle, and I have not gone through that much stress in my life before. So I recommend you try this at home. See if you can do it. Let me know if you can, or if you struggled as much as I did, because I really want to know, honestly. And I'm about to go to the nail place in like a week. So comment down below what I should get my nails done. Like, I really want to do like this brownie fall look on my nails, but I don't know what I want. Do I want like my nails to be longer this time, or do I want to keep them the same length they are? Or do I just want to put gel on that's like brown? Or do I want to do like some SNS powder? Let me know in the comments, because I really need some suggestions. Like DM me, let's talk about my nails. And let me know if you guys have done your fall nails yet, because I'm about to, because my birthday is coming up. So, hint, hint, next video may or may not have something to do with my birthday. And if you made it this far, make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And let me know if you guys have any recommendations for any videos in the future. And I'll see you guys not next week, but the week after. Bye. Love you. Let's go ahead and roll these bloopers. No. Okay. I really like getting close to the camera. Bye.